I'd like to talk to you about debt finance. Debt comes in various guises. You have access to different levels of debt throughout the evolution of a business. When you start off your journey as starting off any business, it's highly unlikely that you'll be able to get any debt into the company, primarily because you haven't got a track record of profitability, you haven't evidenced that you have the means to actually service the debt, and therefore you have to wait a while to mature up before you actually tap into it. For service companies, primarily there are two elements to debt. One is invoice discounting, which is very common and used extensively in the UK at the moment. The other one is term debt. Invoice discounting is an effective way of leveraging your receivable balance. So the invoices that you actually send out to your clients every day or every week of the month, the invoice discounter will give you a percentage of that value as soon as you issue the invoice. It's effective because you get the cash quickly. It's also effective because it's cost effective, normally about 2 to 2.25 points over base. Term debt is used for scaling up your business, doing acquisitions. That's obviously more substantial amounts of cash. You need to validate that you can actually pay it back. So your cash flows need to be robust and forecasts need to be robust. And you're looking at a 3 to 5 year term. There are other elements to debt depending on the type of business, but they're the core opportunities that you have to put in some debt. One thing to remember is that even at current interest rates, which including a margin around about 10%, that is dramatically cheaper than giving away 10% of your business. So debt will always be cheaper than an equity play to raise cash. But until you're profitable and show that you're generating some physical cash flow, that opportunity to put debt rather than equity into the business isn't at your doorstep. We have a number of contacts and relationships with debt providers. We'd love to have a conversation if that's part of your journey.